How's it going, everyone? It's a beautiful yet rainy day here in the garden, but that's not stopping us today. We still got some leafy greens to harvest, as well as to do some work here, so come along for the ride. Alrighty, so we got a whole bunch of salad here. We also got some garlic scapes popping out now in the garden, so we're gonna go harvest those now. So we got our beautiful scapes harvested here. There's two methods you could do it. You could just snip them off at the bottom or snap them off, or you could actually pull the scape out. I tried both methods, so we're gonna see if it really makes a difference, but some people say you can get the whole scape if you pull it out right to the base. So as you can see, the scape's much longer than say some of these other ones here, and that's mainly because this one was pulled all the way out. So you do get a little bit more of a scape you can enjoy. My only concern is it does leave a hole right down the middle of the plant. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but we'll see probably in a month's time when we actually harvest the garlic. So we're just getting ready to stake this tomato plant here. I'm running 3 liters on this one, which is a lot, but I think I'll be able to manage. So what I'm going to do right now is just pretty much tie each liter individually to here to just help them grow up. So we're going to do that now. Now we got it tied up 3 different ways, and should be good to go for now. I'm really happy with how the tomatoes are looking so far. I know it's still early, but as of right now, they look absolutely amazing, and hopefully we continue on that trend. Alrighty, so we got our pan here with some butter in it, and we're going to go ahead and fry up these garlic scapes that we just harvested. We're also going to be cooking a steak. I like to just throw these into the frying pan with some butter or olive oil, get them nice and crispy, and they go very well with a nice piece of meat like a steak or even chicken. It goes well too. So I'm just going to show you how I do that here. I like to snap them, it's just a little bit easier to get them in there. And you just go ahead and throw them in. Now with your tomato plants, you're always going to want to have a nice layer of mulch. This is what's going to keep you know, the plant foliage away from the soil. We don't want any soil splashing up onto here and risking any disease. So even though I already put down some mulch, you know, at planting time, throughout the year, I'm always going to come around if I have some and just re-top it up, as disease can come in and land on top of the mulch and then again get sprayed up. So the number one thing to fight disease is to prevent it from even coming. So I just got some actually this is my Christmas tree. I save it, and I'm just going to use some of these branches to put down to help create a thicker layer of fresh mulch here. Well, if you stuck around to this point, thanks for watching. It's you know, a great time of year. Things are just getting better and better each and every day in the garden, and I'm so excited to continue to share all the harvests, all the success, and even the failures that I have this year. Grateful for this beautiful year we've had so far, and I'm hopeful that things are going to continue to go well. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.